Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about overcoming procrastination, tips for getting things done. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Overcoming procrastination means actively addressing and changing habits of delaying tasks. Overcoming procrastination can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can employ to help you get things done. Here are some tips. Set clear goals. Clearly define your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes the overall task seem less overwhelming and more achievable. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important tasks and prioritize them. Tackling high-priority tasks first can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue. Create a to-do list. Make a list of tasks you need to complete and organize them by priority. Crossing items off your list can provide a sense of achievement. Use time management techniques. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, working in short, focused bursts with breaks in between, can help improve focus and productivity. Set deadlines. Establish realistic deadlines for your tasks. Having a time frame can create a sense of urgency and prevent procrastination. Break tasks into smaller steps. If a task feels too large, break it into smaller, more manageable steps. Completing these smaller steps can help you make progress. Remember, overcoming procrastination is a gradual process, and finding the strategies that work best for you may take some experimentation. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. I hope that you like the video and to follow our channel for more interview tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.